Starting February 2, the government will implement the Child Safety in Motor Vehicles Act, also known as the Child Car Seat Law, which requires child restraint system for child passengers in private vehicles to prevent injury and deaths in case of a crash. Under the laws implementing rules, drivers who violate the law shall be fined 1,000 for first offense, 2,000 for the second offense, and 5,000 and suspension of driver's license for a period of 1 year for the third and succeeding offenses. Meanwhile, any manufacturer, distributor, importer, retailer, and seller who violates it may be punished with a fine of 50,000 to 100,000 for each and every child restraint system manufactured, distributed, imported, and or sold. The Land Transportation Office has started training the fitters and enforcers, as well as developing the guidelines for the law's implementation. The Department of Trade and Industry, meanwhile, has issued mandatory product certification for car seat. The law covers private motor vehicles, but it also says that Department of Transportation may recommend to Congress the inclusion of public motors vehicles and other vehicles used for public transport. While the law will already effect on Tuesday, the LTO said will only start apprehending violators in 3 to 6 months. LTO Deputy Director for the Law Enforcement, Roberto Valera, said there are still concerns that need to be addressed. We have to finalize the administrative order on the tint law. Some cars have dark tints, so it will be harder for us. Enforcement of the law is visual. We have to see if the child is on the car seat, he said.